can put on her. You're not in there, you're not in there. Hi, Joe.
Hello, everybody. Hello, and welcome.
Hi. Oh, Craig.
We shouldn't even big him up because we never get no Easter bun from him this year.
Oh. So we have a special guest with us today. I can't stop laughing. Today we have the HUGO guy with us.
So we have a little game that we'd like to play, and Hugo is gonna
help us along with this game.
Hugo's gonna help us with the game. You have to go. You actually need to log on to the YouTube after this because the YouTube can show more. Oh, the Hugo. Yeah. Stir fry. Everybody, stir fry. We have the hypest Hugo Man here. Hypest.
Hugo Man.
All right, everybody.
Okay.
Hello and welcome everybody to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness. Okay, so I'm actually devouring this popsicle here from Lady Bee. She's making popsicles now, and it's so good. And this is a grapefruit rosemary cucumber gin. It's so good.
And then you can actually get the popsicles through the HUGO app on the errands part of the app. So if you go to errands, you can actually have HUGO bring you a popsicle from Lady B or any. Thank you.
Thank you, Hugo.
Thank you, Hugo. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
And they can bring you the stuff from it.
Hugo spilled.
Right.
So we have a special game that Tracy and I want to play. It's like the gift challenge, right? So we were thinking the best way to play this would be the gift challenge featuring the HUGO app. Because Tracy and I came up with this amazing idea for the gift challenge, and we're like, but it's Easter and we don't want to drive all around the place.
I have no intentions in getting stuck in a gridlock for 7 hours long. No. So I definitely thought to ourselves, let's just get the HUGO app to come along and do all of the dirty work for us.
You guys have to log on to the YouTube after this because the HUGO guy, he's really funny. You can see him more on the YouTube. Okay. Alright, that's enough popsicle, but which are good. Okay. Alright, Trey. So I'm going to tell the category and then we're going to say why we chose a gift for the person. Now, everything that we got here today is off of the HUGO app because Tracy and I sat down yesterday and we just selected everything. Okay. Favorite snack. HUGO guy, please pass me the almonds. Okay. Thank you. So Tracy, I got you almonds because you're always on a diet and I always see you snacking on these. These are a healthy snack and yeah, you're boring, so you get almonds.
Oh, thank you. Actually, I do love almonds. So Joe, favorite snack. HUGO guy, please pass me the gum.
Yeah.
So Jodi loves to keep gum in her car, and Levi loves to eat it too, and it gives her gas.
So you can come in my car and I'll fart you up. I do love gum. I think my love affair with gum started when I was a smoker and I always wanted fresh breath, but you know. Okay, next category, HUGO guy. Oh wait, you passed me this already. Can I please have, oh no, that's not true. Can I please have the water? So the next category is favorite drink.
Ah, yes, I only drink water. I don't drink anything else other than water. Thank you, HUGO guy, unless it's Lady Bee Mixology, of course.
Again, boring.
So Jodi's favorite drink is going to be, HUGO guy, could you please pass Jodi the Lady Bee Mixology? That's definitely Jodi's
That's definitely a favorite drink. Water is so overrated. Who needs to mind their business anyway when you can be minding everybody else's business?
Okay.
Alright. Next category is favorite color.
Favorite color?
Yes. Okay, so Hugo guy, can you please pass me the Hershey's cookie and cream, which would represent boring black and white?
Yes, it's true. It's true. It's true. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There was one point before Stevie was born that my entire wardrobe was black, and my girlfriend Racine had to be like, Trey, liven it up, and so she got me a few things of color. Joe, Hugo guy, could you please pass me the cherry berries? Jodi, your favorite color is definitely pink.
Thank you, Hugo guy. There will be a prize for whoever guesses correctly to who our Hugo guy is. So I love pink, and yes, I would say cherry berries, and you can actually pick up cherry berries and most of the things that we just handed each other off of the grab and go section of the Hugo app. You can also get the grab and go.
Yeah, the grab and go section. Don't leave it out because it actually has a lot of the little things that you need, and you know you could get. So don't want to promote this, but you can get your Rizla, you can get your smoking paraphernalia, except the ganja. You can get liquor, so you can get your, grab and go. What is in the grab and go? You can get that. For the liquor segment, there's a whole liquor
arsenal. Yeah, on the Hugo app. So really and truly, you can just lie down, relax, and guys, you know already you can order food. We're not gonna talk about the food. You know about that. Okay, next category is something that makes you think of the other person. Hugo guy, can you please pass me? The Hugo guy knew! Pass me the razor! Tracy, you need this.
Why?
Because your legs always come in like a jungle.
You're so horrible.
Thank you, Hugo guy.
Fine, well, I was so nice to you. Hugo guy, could you please pass me the Snickers bar? Every time I see Snickers bars, I think of you, Jodi, because I know this is what you like to eat in bed before you nod off.
Yes, that's true. That's true. I love a Snickers bar. You know, you're feeling for something sweet, you don't want to leave the house, you can always grab yourself something off of the Hugo app. You can have maybe a dessert from other restaurants, or you can have something sweet from the grab and go. There's also like a toy store. There's a lot of things. Okay, next segment is something the other person needs. Hugo guy, can you please pass me, and I've already been using it, so I must be the one that needs it, wet wipes.
Oh, yes, thank you, Hugo guy, thank you. When you have a kid, you definitely need wet wipes.
I find that I use a lot of wet wipes myself.
When you start having a kid and you start using wet wipes, it's like you never stop, because you always know now that wet wipes are like the best thing ever.
Yeah.
So Hugo guy, Jodi, something that you need, could you please pass me the pack of batteries?
So I've been complaining that, oh thank you Hugo guy, for the longest time Levi has a set of walkie-talkies and I keep forgetting to get the batteries. So I've been talking about these damn batteries, and it's not regular batteries, it's a 9-volt battery. So I was like, Hugo guy, bring me a battery.
What's the next thing on the agenda now?
Could you guys please go over to the YouTube channel? You'll be able to see the Hugo guy better. So the Hugo guy is running to get the things for you. Run quickly, run to get you more. Offering things, offering. Hugo is the best. Hugo encapsulated. Here you go. Hugo for sure. Hugo guy has boobs.
Hugo guy. Okay. The next
category is something we can do together. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, so we have quite a few things. Hugo guy, could you pass me what's in that brown bag right there, please? Yes. So this is my most favorite section of the Hugo app, because I didn't know it existed. So they have a store on the Hugo app, that Forbidden Fruit International. Okay, so you can log on to the Hugo app and you can get a penis water gun!
What the hell?
Yes, I think this is great. We can play water gun fights.
Oh my god.
Okay, well this is just for, you know. So here's the game. Something we can do together.
I love how the handle is balls.
So in case you're like feeling naughty, you're in the moment and you need something special for your adult lifestyle. You can log on to the HUGO app and there is a adult store on there. You can get your vibrators, your whatever.
And you don't even have to step foot in the store so nobody sees your face. That's great.
Put on your penis.
Oh my
and
gosh.
it comes in a brown paper bag. So the HUGO guy didn't know what he was delivering to me. Oh my gosh, this is the best. Thanks, HUGO guy. Okay. Hey, body head. Alright, so something we can do together.
Oh,
We're gonna play Dick Toss. Actually, I think that is what it's called.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Oh, I almost got it. Oh. Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh, my dick almost my dick came off. Hold on. Okay, let me get this one. Let me get this one. 1,
2, 3.
Oh, man!
Almost.
Oh,
Oh, thank you, HUGO guy.
oh, man!
No. Here, I'll give you a point.
Yay!
Thank you, HUGO guy. So, of course, something to do together. We had to get something fun. And I think this is fun. This is a great game. So for those of you who didn't know, there's a lot of different categories on HUGO. So you have drinks, right? You have convenience. So if you need your pads, your tampons, condoms, that's things that I find convenient. Lifestyle, what would be in lifestyle?
Like I think the health store is on there.
Okay, yes. Food, as you know.
I think Fontana is on the HUGO app
Fontana
as well.
is definitely on the HUGO app. Also electronics. Did I look through the electronics app? What did there was phone chargers. I think there was ping links. Pharmacy, which is the Fontana, and beauty. So we have something else from beauty. So we soon book up on that. But there's a sex store. Hey, HUGO for the win!
And HUGO app also can deliver money to you.
Really?
Yes. So say you're...
No, how do you know that?
I use a HUGO app. How do you mean, how do I know that?
Wait, but I don't...
Okay, so say like it's Friday and I forgot to pay the help. I need money to pay the helpers. Like I can go into the HUGO app and ask HUGO to bring me the money that I pay my helpers. Or let's say like I'm going to the country for the long weekend, but I'm kind of like crunched for time.
Really?
And I need like money to pay the toll and then just money along the drive. Then I can say to the HUGO app, can you please bring me money?
I had no idea.
So you can bring cash for you. Yes.
I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
And HUGO app takes either cash or credit card to pay for your services.
And the thing about the HUGO app that I really like is when you use it to buy the food, I have no money on me ever. Like I never have money on me.
Yeah.
Cash is not
You're
something
the broke
I keep.
sister.
I am. Wow. Anyway, but what another thing I like about it is that you put your credit card into the HUGO app. So when you buy your food, it comes automatically off of your credit card, and then you can tip.
Oh look, your main home is here. HUGO app JM, they're here. We have one of your people. We have one of your people here. Yes, they're doing a good job. Yeah. Oh, handing thing. Yeah.
So you can also tip the person from the app as well. So you cash never has to be changing hands between you and the driver or anything.
Okay. Is the app accessible to everybody? So HUGO is available in 3 territories: Kingston, Montego Bay, and Portmore. So if you're in any... There we
3
go.
territories. Yes,
3 territories. Yes. So if you're in any of those areas, they will be able to assist you. Okay, let's go again.
They also can do scheduled things for you.
I love that.
Amazing.
So a lot of people don't know that you can schedule things. So for example, if tomorrow I'm having a dinner party and I'm all like, huffy puffy, I can say, okay, let me lie down right now and let me see what restaurants I want to order. I can go through the menu, I can add things to my cart, and then I can schedule my delivery for tomorrow, 4 o'clock, to have whatever it is, whether it's my grab and go, my lifestyle, my sex toys. Or actually, that's amazing. Imagine you can schedule sex toys. You know the do's gonna happen then. I love that.
Like you just want to say, oh, let's get it on tonight. Yeah. Then you just have Scott go to get the delivery from the door.
HUGO is here. Yes.
Or so you need them to pick up the cake for you. You can schedule HUGO to get the cake and bring it for you. So
Oh, only Jamaica. Okay, I'm in Boston, Massachusetts. Never mind. That might cost a little bit extra.
It's a tad.
It's a little bit extra.
A tad bit
Yeah.
extra.
But I'm sure this Hugo guy right here would love for you to send for him to go to Boston, Massachusetts. Yes, there you go. Okay. Something. Oh, we just did something we can do together. And least favorite food or drink item.
Hugo, please pass me the coconut water. Jodi hates coconut water.
I'm sorry guys. I know it's like a great like in rum and in scotch, but excuse me, I'm not a coconut water person. Sorry. Hugo guy, can you please pass me the tinned mackerel?
Yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
Hugo guy's dancing. Yeah, there you go, Trey. There's your tinned mackerel.
Yuck. Yuck. I will never eat tin mackerel. I've never had it and I will never eat it. It just smells and looks gross.
Well, not if you cook it down in like
no, I don't want it.
Alright.
I don't care how you cook it down. Coal stove, electric stove, I don't care.
And then, this was from the lifestyle section. Sorry, Hugo guy, can you pass me this? Hugo guy, pass me that lovely pink bag. Thank you. So I got this tray because yesterday we were cooking together and I was like, my nails look horrible and I wanted to do this before the show, but I didn't have time. There's, in the lifestyle segment, there's a beauty store and they have press-on nails.
Oh, so that's great because I need some. Oh, there we go. You like some.
So this is luxury press-on nails. There were all kinds of different colors. This is by Salon Bougie. And they had different things. So if you're about to go out and you're like, oh my gosh, I need my nails done, you can go onto the Hugo app for your press-on nails. I'm sure you can buy like nail polish in one of the places too. So the Hugo app is kind of like your one-stop shop for everything.
This is so cool.
They should have like a dating app too. Hugo Dates.
Oh, wow.
And then it would be a one-stop shop. Y'all should try nail stickers. That's a good idea, but the base of your nail polish would have to be like, good. All right, so right now we are going to do a little giveaway. So you've seen a bit. No, we're going to do a giveaway from Candy Craze.
Oh, well, if you wanted to, you guys could do something and give somebody else something from Hugo and you could use our coupon code.
That's true. You want to give everybody a little discount? Yes. All right, everybody. So we have a Hugo, what's it called? Coupon code for you. 2 Tricky, number 2 Tricky, and you will get $500 off. Too tricky. You'll get $500 off any order over $3,000, and that's a pretty big discount.
That's a huge discount.
Yeah, there we go.
Huge.
Right,
yes,
there we go.
Yes,
there we go.
Yes.
So when you're using your Hugo app, you can use either cash or credit card, and there you go, Hugo app. Your motherboard is writing. And you coupon code 2 Tricky, number 2 Tricky, and you get $500 off any order over $3,000. Hugo can run your errands for you. They can get you drinks, convenience, lifestyle, food, electronics, pharmacy, beauty. Pin it, Joe. Let me find back the motherboard. So okay. All the information, I just pinned Hugo. All the information will be on our YouTube video, and actually on our YouTube video you actually see maybe about a foot more on each side of us, and you'll be able to see more of our lovely Hugo guy who is working very hard to make sure that we have all of the things that we need. Please go and check it out over on YouTube. We have the best Hugo guy. Very efficient. Very efficient. He's working a little extra now that the motherboard is Thank you. Yes, Hugo guy. Okay. We don't need to give the Hugo guy any of this candy because he's a little.
He's hyper.
Okay. All right. So Farm Candy Craze. This must definitely be for me. Oh no, Hugo guy. Well, let me open it for you. Hold on.
But this one we got
wants a tip.
This one we got is a milk chocolate amaretto pecans.
Oh, that's so up your alley.
It is so me. I guess it's up the Hugo guy's alley too because there you go, Hugo guys. Okay.
And I have the sour prosecco bears.
There we go, Hugo guy.
Oh, yeah.
And actually, Hugo can deliver your candy crush and sugar. Oh, these are sugar.
These are really, I never tried them sour before. Wow.
These are really good.
Big up to Candy Craze. Remember, Candy Craze has 2 locations in Progressive, Barbican, and also in Fontana upstairs. You can get your candy, you can get your ice cream, right? You can get your stone cold ice cream, so they can mix in things for you on the coastal
So they
stuff.
can mix in some of these amaretto pecans into my ice cream.
Chop it up.
This would taste so good in a pistachio ice cream.
Nah.
This tastes so good.
Alright, let me finish my gummy.
They know it's so good though.
Yo, it's so funny. Lady B and Candy Craze are like, this is what Jodi wants. This is what Tracy wants. Don't switch.
But I would not have those Prosecco.
What?
Would not be my choice.
Oh, can you imagine if I put one of those like in the bottom of the Prosecco? Oh, wow.
That would be good.
Tiffany would love that. Okay, let us... what are we doing now?
We have a lot to do here. Let us do a giveaway for Candy Craze.
What's the giveaway? Well, my question was going to be...
Okay. So,
will Hugo deliver Candy Craze to Negril? So Hugo is available in 3 territories: Kingston, Montego Bay, and Portmore. So if... 3. So if you want, he can pick up your Candy Craze for you and deliver for you in any 3 of those territories, tertiaries.
So I guess if you want to meet him somewhere in Montego Bay.
Yeah, okay. These are good.
These are very good.
Okay.
Woo. So we're going to do a Candy Craze giveaway right now. I can't even speak. These amaretto things have my tongue.
Alright, let me have this.
So the question to win $1,000 of Candy Craze gift card is, who is the Hugo guy?
You can only see the Hugo guy on...
Come over,
Hugo.
Who is the Hugo guy?
Watch a Hugo guy. A fan of him color. Yeah, Hugo guy. Buffy, get it.
Buffy_Buffy1. It is Nana.
Wait, hold on, mommy. Come in. Wait, hold on. Go in the frame. Hold on. Go in the frame.
Hi, Hugo. Oh, Hugo's been dying to have the candy. Okay, let's see who you are, Hugo. Who is it? _Buffy. You are right.
Thank you, Candy Craze.
Yo, mommy was so...
She's like, I'll put it on. I was like, you just have to put it on her hand. She goes, no, I want to wear it. And this Hugo guy was great because we got to tip him in candy. Alright, everybody. Yes, Nana is I love how Jodi's family is down for the antics. Yo, it's true.
Always.
Those amaretto things are nice, but I don't love amaretto. But this is nice.
No, take them away. They're so addictive. I've had like about 5 of them. I just stuck in my face.
What is amaretto?
Amaretto is a type of liquor.
Peach?
No, it's a type of liquor.
Yeah. What flavor?
Almond.
Almond?
Is it almond?
Amaretto is, I don't know.
Yeah. Let me taste these sour Prosecco gummies.
Nana is awesome. Big up Nana. Now, any delivery that you do between now and 10 p.m., which is 8 o'clock to 10 p.m., Nana will not be delivering for you guys.
Oh my gosh, those Prosecco gummy bears.
The sour is wicked, eh?
But they really taste like Prosecco.
I know. I know. It's not almond. Then what is it? Yes, it's almond flavor liqueur. Amaretto. Amaretto.
Yeah, I feel like the Prosecco gummy bears are bubbling up in my mouth. Is this weird?
Maybe I have herpes.
No, I feel like it's bubbles.
It's bubbles? Alright, wait. No, I just put chocolate in my mouth.
I know, it's high.
Oh, Hugo App says Nana is hired. She delivered with a smile. She delivered efficiently. Did you hear her little footsteps back and forth? Nana. We're gonna encourage everybody to head on over to YouTube, because as I said, you can see about a foot more on each side, and the HUGO Man is very, very busy.
Very busy. These Prosecco gummy bears are crazy. They're doing so much in my mouth right now.
It's like a little ting tang tang.
Yeah.
Oh. So did you think that we encompassed each other in our gift giving? Are you on your mackerel?
I don't like mackerel.
I don't know why. I think the right person hasn't cooked it for you know.
Maybe Scott should cook mackerel for me. Tiny. Tiny. A tiny. So, it's 2 o'clock coming up, 5 to 2.
Oh yes, that's right.
And so we have something very special happening at 2 o'clock.
Right, we're gonna shave Tracy's hairy leg.
It's not hairy, I shaved for the country.
Okay.
FYI.
Okay. Good for you. Whoa!
No,
let's take a go!
Stop! It's not bad. I wax.
Yeah, but Tracy, you can't just say you wax and then for 3 months you're like, I waxed, it grows back.
So?
Jeez.
I'm like half Rasta.
You guys noticed that I cut my hair? Tracy did my hair for me yesterday. She cut my hair, she colored it. Remember I was complaining that it was so thin and pieces were falling out because of the breakage, and she gave it this nice little cut. You see, it's just so full of body.
It looks good. It looks good. I need to do my hair.
Your hair looks great too.
Thank you.
Alright, so we want to big up to _ Buffy. Where did I write her down? Oh, I have you right here. She's won herself a $1,000 gift certificate from Candy Crush. How did you guys know?
That what?
That it was Nano.
I don't know. I think they know us.
I think they could hear your footsteps.
They knew those were Nana's light
trots. Alright guys, so coming up, I'm going to introduce you to the newest cast member of Road Ready. So just stay tuned. I'm going to have her. Is she here? Just give me a little hi. Let me see you if you're here. And somebody says the hands, the adventures of Leo and Zeus, the class. The hands or the giveaway. Oh, the hand movements. Okay, see, Buffy said the hand movements. Okay. It's always not on.
I have to stop eating chocolate.
The hand gestures were too decent. Okay, so it's ready. Shape of our hands. Nana moves with class and grace, but I thought it was Winsome. Do you guys even know who Winsome is? Oh yes, Winsome always has the cookies. Oh, she's here. All right, everybody. So we're gonna call in our newest cast member, so that you guys can meet her. Oh, these are my requests to join. Sorry. So right now we've shown you how many cast members.
I think this lady will be their 4th one.
Yeah?
Yeah. What?
No, because we have more. We have more that we just haven't shown yet. Alright, everybody, and presenting to you the newest member of our cast. We have... Where are you?
This is our
third.
Our 3rd cast member.
Hey, you know too much information. That's why you're telling off the things. Hugo's not delivering. Oh, Hugo.
Hello.
Hi, we can't see you. It's all fuzzy.
Hold on.
Something's happening.
Yeah.
Yay! Turn around the camera now. It's Megan! And she has on her headpiece.
I have to turn you know.
Are you
something for you guys?
Are you at work?
I am at work. I ran to the back just so we could have our conversation.
Okay, so introduce yourself.
Okay, hello everybody. My name is Megan Bryan. I also go by Island Sweetheart or Pebbles. You know, in the Caribbean we have a lot of nicknames.
All right, so tell me, Megan, tell us about your carnival, I guess your carnival history. How many years have you been playing carnival? Do you love carnival? Which carnivals have you been to?
So I feel like I was kind of born into carnival. Like I was just like right out into the set. No, I'm just kidding. Honestly, since I was young, I've done here we have a day for Children's Parade in St. Thomas, and then we have a day for the Adults Parade. And so for me, it was a family gathering. You know, my dad always did the floats. My mom always did the costumes. And the whole family would be there with their coolers, and we would just go down the road together. As an adult, I have been doing it maybe the last 5 years. I had my daughter, so we took a little break, and then hurricanes and pandemic. But now that we're back, I am immersing myself in all of it. You know, I've been going to the places that was having carnival, and now Caribbean Carnival is coming back.
And where are you from? Where do you live now? I hear an accent.
Yes, I live in St. Thomas. For those of you who don't know, it's in the U.S. Virgin Islands. So we're a teeny tiny dot. There's the British Virgin Islands, which is our playground. We go over all the time. And then there's the U.S. Virgin Islands. St. Thomas is actually the capital.
Okay.
I love that you always give me like a little drop of history. I love that. You're always just like, this behind me is Sweetheart Bay.
Yes. You'll notice like VI people, like, we are such a small island, but there's like such a big presence. Like, we're so passionate to be like, hello. They forget us on the Weather Channel. They forget us wherever we are. So when we come to the Fed, you'll see VI people have their flags, their headbands. Like, we are known.
No, well, that's what we love about you, Megan. You're here and you just have such a presence about you, and I just think you're so much fun, and I can't wait to play carnival with you. Don't worry, we will not leave you out, and we will not forget you.
No.
What's your next carnival? What's your next carnival that you'll be jumping with?
St. Thomas, right here next week.
Oh, wow! How have you been preparing?
Yeah, this is the first time in 2 years. We're kind of similar to what Trinidad did. When our restrictions were released, they said we're going to get a taste of carnival.
Right.
So right now we're going to have it next week, but we're going to have a small parade. It's not what we would usually have.
Okay.
So we're just the people who played mask before, all the masqueraders who have a costume, are allowed to redecorate their costumes and jump on the road with the troops that they know and bring carnival back to life, because there was not enough time for the troops to get themselves together.
Right.
So, does St. Thomas use carnival as a way of bringing in foreign exchange? Is it that much of a income earner?
Yeah, so for us, we are very tiny. Tourism is our main source of everything for the island, whether it's hotel, cruise ships, and the end of our season is the last week of April, and all of the islands, St. Croix, St. John, they actually all have their own carnival, but St. Thomas is the end of the season for the Virgin Islands tourism season, I would say.
Oh, so that's kind of important, and your island is like wrapping up the carnivals for...
Correct.
Okay. All right, and how are you
I want
preparing?
everybody to come play math and come to the event.
I would love to.
How we show love.
I see you with your crown. Stop ignoring my question, Megan. How are you preparing? Is that your crown?
I'm so sorry. Well, I'm trying to get a little bit of rest inside. I've ordered my boots. I've ordered my stockings. I'm doing my walks.
Right.
My cousin teaches a wine and set class. It is the funnest workout class. We actually do like dance moves, but it's a workout. It's like a Caribbean version of Zumba, like
soca size
almost.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And my friend also teaches, so I'm trying to go to as many classes as I can, and we have fun, and we dance, and it's amazing.
Aww. Yeah, but you want to hang out with Megan, don't you?
Megan. You're so much fun. Look at you.
So, Megan, I'm going to let you go back to the people then work, and I will see you. Have a great time next week
Have
at
a great carnival.
Yes. Please make sure you upload pictures. I want to see you in your costume. I want to see what St. Thomas has to offer. And, of course, I will be seeing you very, very soon when we play carnival together. Oh, go on. You got that island Wi-Fi? Wait, hold on. Let's give her a little second so she can log back on.
Just a little.
It's okay. We know how the office Wi-Fi stay. I feel teeth off. Yeah, no worries. We got you, girl.
Yeah.
Alright, Megan. Love you and send pictures.
Bye, Megan. Thank you so much for joining us. I will see you soon. Oh, Hugo says bye.
Oh, guys. Okay, so that was Megan, the third cast member for Road Ready. Very exciting stuff going on for Road Ready TV.
And exciting for the Caribbean on a whole, because a lot of carnivals are coming back. You know, we're seeing a lot more people like planning for carnivals next year.
Why did Candy Craze send these?
So, you know, earlier she's like, I'm on a diet. I had to draw for my China Slim Tea yesterday because she shows up looking like a pencil. I look like a 9-volt battery. And she's like, I'm on a diet.
These are so good. These are the chocolate amaretto pecans. They are so good.
So I kept noticing in the comments when Megan was talking, so many people like her energy, and I think it's very important, you know, when you're going to be with 8 people for over a week. I think it's important to choose people that are not only like-minded but positive, and they have that energy that, you know.
Yeah. You know what I was just thinking? If you had a crush on somebody, you could actually get the HUGO app to send them.
Yes!
without them knowing it's you.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
You do that for me, Hugo? Or if, like, let's say Levi's not feeling well, God forbid, and he had a birthday party and I don't want to look like the cheapskate parent who's not going to the party and don't send a gift. There's a toy store on the Hugo app where I can order my toy and send it. The Hugo guy is practicing a heart in the mirror. Good job. That was a good one. The motherboard says good job. Something like this.
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool though, right?
Yeah, I never thought of that. Like Valentine's Day could be even more toned up.
More toned up.
More toned up because you could send like, I miss like those little gifts from my secret admirer.
I know. I miss just gifts that Scott could give me throughout the week for no reason at all.
The adventure of Leo and Zeus says, oh my god, that's a great idea. I would love to surprise a friend of mine for her birthday.
Thank you, Hugo.
Hugo, this is empty.
Fill it up, Hugo. Okay, so oh, there you go. Nice, Hugo. Okay, so last week we ran out of time.
Did you just burp on me?
I did. I'm sorry.
Hugo, could you fan away the burp, please? Thank you.
So last week we actually ran out of time before we could introduce you to one of Jamaica's newest sought after charcuterie board items, right? And it is called Mel's Sticky Jam.
Oh, thank you. And one of the reasons why I was like, oh, Mel's Sticky Jam, I wonder why she called it sticky. Like, that's, you know, I've never known to be, like, yeah, when you're drying it up, it's sticky, but this jam is so thick.
Is it?
And yes, it's like really, it's sticky.
It is.
Let's show the consistency. Hugo, spoon.
Thank you.
No, I think I'm gonna keep the Hugo.
So like another thing that
this is the flavor, guys. Remember I told you I was gonna give you a salmon recipe? So this is the one you're gonna use the salmon recipe for.
the pine and ginger.
The pine and ginger. So you're going to get your salmon, you're gonna clean it, scrape.
Hugo is
thanks, Hugo.
try it on a cracker.
So you're gonna take your salmon, you're gonna clean it and stuff like that. And then you're going to salt, pepper your salmon. Lay it skin side down. Hugo is being very bossy.
I know, very bossy.
You got it, Hugo?
Oh,
there we go.
you,
Show the texture of that one.
Thank you.
So Mel's Sticky Jams come in many different flavors. The strawberry jam is like
it's mango
it's so thick. Ooh, that's the one Winsome uses on our salmon. So you clean your salmon. You can use any flavor, but maybe not the strawberry. But Winsome uses the mango scotch bonnet, and I use the pineapple and ginger. Come, I can't take my pepper. And then you just put it on your salmon, making almost like a crust, and then you bake your salmon at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. I know.
It's peppery. This is peppery. I mean,
and there's no guessing the flavors. When you put it in your mouth, you can tell exactly what it is.
I don't do pepper.
Yeah?
That's peppery.
No, I'm not trying that. That's I tasted it before. Pepper.
It's peppery. And you know what? I like that because sometimes you get pepper jams that are not peppery.
It's overly sweetened.
Yeah. And so actually I really like that because
right, let me taste a little.
You don't
just a little.
You're not going to like it. It's very peppery. But you can still taste the
Alright, let me wipe off some of that.
Yeah, but you can still taste
that's my taste. Ooh! And guess what? We do have stale crackers today, right, Hugo?
I'm gonna try the pineapple. Yeah, that's peppery.
No, sir.
So if you like pepper, the Mel's Sticky Jam, anything with scotch bonnet. This was a mango scotch bonnet.
Wow, my mouth is springing water.
Okay.
Oh, some Hugo water. Where can I buy and do they ship to Canada? I'm not sure if Mel's Sticky Jams is here. I haven't seen her here today, but I have seen them in various. So, where is she?
Yeah, you can. They are available in Uncorked.
Right.
Available in the Kingston Kitchen. They're available at Butcher's Block.
Oh, thank you.
They are available at
and you can at her at Mel's _ Sticky Jams,
and they will ship to Canada for you.
They will?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I'm sure she will.
The strawberry one is absolutely amazing, but it's a good strawberry jam.
But I mean, this
But
pineapple
these
ginger one
flavors-
is like, as Jodi said, there's no guessing to what the flavor
There
is.
is.
No
Like
guessing.
you can put it on a tablet. You can put it on a cracker and you can be like, this is the ginger whatever. And I find that the mango and scotch bonnet is great to use when you're cooking. So
But I mean, even this on a cheese board.
yes.
Because like the softness of a brie cheese will like calm it
'Cause,
down.
you know, I remember the year of like pepper jelly. Everybody I make pepper jelly.
But
Pepper
what
jelly
annoyed
is
me
great.
was that like some of the pepper
can
jellies
replace
were
with this.
peppery, you know?
What about the US? Sydney is asking.
Yes, Sydney, they were shipped to the US for you too.
You sure about this?
Mel will do it, yeah.
Mel will do it. She's very sweet.
Not much.
She has some awesome flavors. That's true. Have you seen how sticky the strawberry jam is?
Mel would be making jam because she's sweet. This is the best.
That's so corny.
It is true though. If you know Mel, she's probably one of the sweetest girls I've
She is.
ever met.
Mel is very, very sweet.
And she's very, very giving of her time and everything. I mean, I don't even like pepper, and I'm still eating the pepper one.
It's very flavorful. It's extremely flavorful, but that's the problem.
I know.
But as you said, it would be nice on a coochie board, and yes,
on a
coochie board. The ingredients, Hugo is telling me to tell you that it's raw brown sugar, mango, scotch bonnet pepper, pectin. Yes,
Lime
Hugo
juice,
guy.
salt. And he's also telling us to tell us it's all natural,
no artificial flavors, no artificial coloring. Oh, and she spelled coloring the British way. We use a U. No preservatives, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly.
So for all of you vegans out there, this is the jam for you. There's no beef in here.
Sunflower Shauna, we're going to put all of the information. As a matter of fact, Mel, if you're here, can you just send me a note with all of your flavors? And I'm going to put all of the information down in the description bar over on YouTube. And guys, you have to catch the YouTube because as I said before, you're going to see more of the antics from the Hugo guy. He's
I want to stop eating, but everything on this show today is so good. These sticky jams are so
you know
good.
what I don't like about Who Do You Love Are You For Short? Them always log in later and then ask questions that we don't ask already. You're blocked.
No, I love her.
Says, who's the Hugo guy? Naughty. Hugo guy. Tell her she's naughty.
Naughty. Yeah, you should have come on time.
That
It's
stuff
true.
sounds so good. Lisa says it's no.
It's but no, I actually am going to make chicken for dinner tonight. Do you think I could use some of this on the chicken?
I don't know because I don't like scotch bonnet pepper, but I think you could do like the pineapple and ginger. I find that these jams are very, very good to cook with, just because of the flavors that in the mixing of the pineapple and the ginger. Excellent. If you like pepper though, Scott like pepper, you could maybe squeeze up the gizzards with the scotch bonnet pepper and stuff it back. No?
I do.
I'm not the best cook as you can tell, but that's okay. That's okay.
We'll squeeze up the gizzards.
You just squeeze up the gizzards and shove it back in, put a little pepper on it, and it's good to go.
Okay.
No?
No, yeah, I mean, yeah, sure,
Yeah?
no problem.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
alright,
squeeze up
cool.
the gizzards.
Squeeze out the gizzards. Yeah, look how we had it open for 2 seconds and you mess up the whole jar.
I know, and look how much I ate in 2 seconds too. Oh,
I'm
God.
on a diet.
Shut up.
Okay.
Diet starts after the show.
Okay, we have another giveaway. Alright, you know what? Hold on a second. Oh, somebody said sweet and sour chicken. Yes, Lisa, good idea.
With the mango.
With the mango or with the pineapple and ginger, because those are ingredients you would use in sweet and sour chicken anyway.
It is.
Think of a good question. Start to think of your question that you're going to use. So we have another $1,000 gift certificate to Candy Craze. I know you guys like to answer the questions, but let's leave it for somebody who is actually in Jamaica who can actually use the Hugo guys. What you looking for, Hugo guy? Empty bag? Yeah? Oh, Candy Craze, dummy. Candy Craze. Very nice. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Oh, back to us. Okay, so so we're gonna give away $1,000 gift certificate to Candy Craze, and make sure that you're here in Jamaica so that you can
Actually get the Candy Craze things. Oh, Hugo wants it. Oh,
thank you, Hugo. I miss my mom. Okay, hi Win.
Hi, Win. So the question that I'm going to ask, the Candy Craze question I'm going to ask is, you guys, get your fingers ready because it's the first person. It's a very easy question. Can I order?
No, not a yes or no. You're mad.
Well,
Tisk.
okay.
Still thinking?
No.
Okay.
Where do you go to pick up the $1,000 gift certificate from Candy Craze if you win?
My daughter's birthday is on Friday. Can I just get a gift certificate, please? What do you mean? Like, just to give it to you? Look how much people type yes and we don't even ask the question. Progressive Plaza and Fontana Waterloo. Is Gina the winner?
No, because you can't pick it up at Fontana Waterloo. You can only pick it
Sweetie
up.
Cake says Candy Craze.
What location?
Jodi Front Gate. Waterloo branch?
No.
No, Chrissy. Shanique says Barbie, give me a little bit more details on that now. So all these people want to give certificates. I don't know where to pick it up.
Where are you gonna go to pick up the
Progressive Plaza, Gina Wilson
_.
Congratulations, Gina Wilson _ You have won yourself $1,000 gift certificate to Candy Craze.
Very good.
Everybody wants to go pick it up at Jodi ad.
No, but why I am Ramat is going to King's House Road.
What's there?
I don't know.
King's House Road?
Not a Candy
Alright,
Craze.
not a Candy Craze. Alright, cool. Not a problem.
Okay.
That's actually a really good gift idea. So you're going to somebody's birthday party and you don't know what the heck to give them. You don't know the age group. You don't have the kids yourself, or you can't deal with buying all of this $1,000 a card, and you just put a Candy Craze gift certificate.
Yeah.
That was really cool. When Twyla gave that to, was it Remy? No, it was to Levi for his birthday. I was like, this is such a good idea.
Yeah. No, definitely.
Which kid doesn't love Candy Craze?
Yeah. I don't know.
We went in there the other night and I know the song. And Levi was embarrassed. How you know that song? C-A-N-D-Y, Candy, C-R-A-Z-E, let us make your day. Hey! That's it.
Okay.
You didn't know it?
I do now.
It's very simple. My kids know it. You open the door and they sing to you.
Yeah.
I wish that was like at my front door. Like, Gracie, car, somebody's coming. And you open the door and they're like, welcome everybody. Henrique's home today. You know?
So yesterday,
Okay.
on Sunday, when it was Easter, we had 2 meats at dinner.
Yes! Daddy was very upset.
I know. He was like,
West! You make me cook the beef and you brought a ham? Oh, we're gonna have to throw it away. One big hell of a deal here, me and some mommy.
By the way, but Stevie,
Gordon, we'll just have 2 meats. I was like this. Yes!
I know, Jodi planned that one. But how come Stevie ate off all the ham though? Stevie was double fisting ham.
I don't understand how Stevie has 4 teeth. 2 more teeth come down. She's such a little hog.
No, she was double fisting ham. She had ham, but she's like.
But I honestly thought that she was going through it, and I thought ham was like on the floor because I just don't understand.
Goody did not waste a bite. Pretty sure she slept through the night last night all the way.
She did?
All the way till 4 a.m.
Okay, 4 a.m. is...
I'm just thankful. And then she woke up at 4 and I had to rock her back to sleep till 5, and then she fell asleep till 6. Oh, it's so annoying.
Yeah, that's But hey, you know, we thank God for His mercies every day. So in our house, what we did on Sunday is, and I thought it was very important, as with Christmas, to let my children know what we are really celebrating in Easter time. Because remember that in America, it's the land of, I love to call it the land of waste, but also they like to make you spend. So they create these fictional characters for you to spend your money. Whether you're Muslim, Buddhist, Christian, you all love the Easter bunny.
Yeah.
You're all gonna buy something from the Easter bunny and pick up egg in a basket. Christmas time, Santa is not a Christian, not Muslim. You know what I mean? So they find something for you to like kind of
Buy into.
Exactly. So it was very important for me. I find that sometimes I was a little short on telling them exactly what happened. Like, he's risen today. Somebody knocking on the tomb. Knock, knock, give a call, or let's check Nana, because we don't know what's happening in the tomb today, but you know, things going on with Jesus. You know, Levi has his Bible, and he's so, I don't know how he's so like, he's very in tune with godly, you know. Like,
Yeah, he likes it.
So he'll be like, Daddy can read the Bible, and I'll be like, Mommy, your turn to read the Bible. And he has his the toddler's first Bible. He has one, and Remy has one, and he will read his Bible. Oh, well, I'll have to read it to him. And I thought that was really important for him to know what Easter is and why we have this holiday. And I didn't really make it a big deal that the Easter bunny and not hide the eggs. He saw me with them, taking them to Nana's house. And when he asked, I said, oh, Easter bunny, we're doing Easter things and Easter baskets and whatever. And then I was like, because we're celebrating that Jesus died for our sins. He rose again, and nobody else die and rise again, which is why we have this special holiday to commemorate that Jesus can rescue us from our sins. Would have to dead twice to save me, enough sin missing, HUGO Man going to lick me. No, hold on, HUGO Man, hold on.
So we have 10 minutes before we go.
Okay.
But we have one more giveaway.
Just one more?
So, alright,
I'm ready to write.
so we are giving away a prize today from Buds and Brushes JA.
Oh, what's that?
So what is Buds and Brushes JA? It is a unique freestyle trek into the realm of Puff&Paint, where they incorporating steaming cannabis, food, wine, live art and music, and yoga and sound healing. It is an atmosphere that allows one to unleash their creativity amongst a community, and the participants experience having made brand new best friends. And
This is so up your alley.
I know. I know. It also, Buds and Brushes also gives to a lot of charities, one being to 876 Volunteer. So today I will be giving away, if the person is in Jamaica and wins a prize, they get the Unleash Your Creativity package, which is a full paint experience package. And if the person is outside of the Jamaica, they get the whole of Vibe package to experience the event virtually.
So this is like a sip and paint, but with like a little bit of the forbidden grass?
That is correct.
So we take a little bit of the forbidden grass, Jesus lettuce.
But there's a lot more behind this event, though. I mean, although it's fun and although there's forbidden grass, there's a lot more behind it, because the cause is to give back to the Jamaican community. So they do give back to a lot of charities. And so that's why I particularly like the Buds and Brushes event. So that's why
So that means you have to ask a decent question. What's the question? Oh yeah, the same one I asked you earlier.
What was it again? Oh, okay. So yeah. So if you want to check out more about the event and more about what it is, you can log on to their IG page, budsandbrushesja.com, Buds and Brushes JA. Sorry, and then there's no .com, just Buds and Brushes JA. And then you can find out some more about the event. If you are interested in coming, you can buy your tickets, you can purchase, you can come along. But for this giveaway that I'm going to be giving away right now, my question is, how long did Jesus stay in the tomb?
Hugo, how long did he stay in the tomb? I need to know the answer. I knew it! Okay. All the information on Buds and Brushes will be over in the description box over on YouTube. Will be in the description box over on YouTube. Yes! Send me our at
SHANNNIIQ. Shanique, you have won. We will be getting into your DM to find out if you are in Jamaica or abroad and let you know which package you have won from Buds and Brushes. You guys, please log on to Buds and Brushes to find out some more about this event and if it is up your alley and if you would like to go and participate in helping to elevate your mind and as well as to help out the community through giving back.
That sounds nice. You never told me about that nice little surprise.
I didn't?
No, I think I'd like to do a Buds and Brushes event. I used to enjoy the sip and paint, I used to really, really like it. So I feel like I would like to, Buds and Brush.
Well, you don't have to take a bud. You can also, if you want to be on that level, I guess you could do some of the CBD drops from Jacana.
Or you don't have to do anything at all.
You don't have to do anything. You can just rub down in some of the Jacana body oil if you want to.
Yeah, I like a rub down still.
I love a rub down.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, their balm was so good.
Go.
Do you remember?
Yeah,
Hugo.
Oh, yeah.
I actually had to have some of the Jacana CBD drops the other day.
How long is this Hugo guy gonna be here? He's very helpful. Hugo coming on the other side.
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Yes.
Buds and Brushes says they're sending a package.
Yeah.
That would be really cool. So we can give everybody a little bit more of an idea of you can do a non-cannabis package. Yeah, like just anyway. So I'll drop everything down in the description, everything that Tracy just said, so you can more read. Because I find sometimes when people say things to me, I never listen. I'm such a bad listener. But if I read it, then I'm more kind of complete
really?
to what's happening.
Opposite. If I listen now.
No, when we took the kids to dinner and the lady said something to me and I was like, okay. And I was like, excuse me. I completely did not hear anything you said and I just want to apologize because I totally I heard you. And she just started laughing. She's like, okay, let me tell you what I said again. The menu is this thing here and you have to take a picture. I was like, oh, I never got any of that. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Tracy looked nice. Angela's Kitchen says.
Thank you, Angela's Kitchen. It's my turn.
Cher Gooden says she's a visual learner as well. Alright guys, so we want to big up all of our sponsors today. Earlier on, for those who missed it, Trace and I played the gift giving game where we were so lazy yesterday. And not only that, but who have time for drive round. So we sat down on our Hugo app and we decided to play the gift giving challenge on the Hugo app. And we had different categories. If you missed it, you can head on over to the YouTube channel and see exactly what gifts we gave each other. Somebody got some mackerel, but that's okay. It's because she's a dirty gal, but it's okay. Yeah. You didn't know that's what they call mackerel? No? Alright, we also, as per usual, one of our favorite sponsors. Look how me done out the popsicles, man.
Oh my gosh.
So Lady Bee Mixology now has popsicles. Sorry, it's empty, so this doesn't look like much. It looks like a shot! Yay!
You would never know because Jodi
I finished most of them. So Lady Bee Mixology now has popsicles and some of her great flavors. She has wait. I had my favorite. So grapefruit, rosemary, cucumber, gin. There's 4 flavors. There's one with coconut.
melon passion margarita.
Right, and then there was one with coconut, but like
strawberry basil.
Strawberry basil and a coconut one, which I was like, even though Tracy would like it, I don't want to carry it in my car. I'm just joking. She was out. And then of course we have Candy Craze.
Oh, these are the best. These are the absolute best. These are the chocolate covered amaretto pecans. They were the absolute
And I had
best.
sour prosecco bears, and I'm gonna save some to drop one in the bottom of a prosecco glass on Saturday.
I'm gonna save some of these for Scott.
And then we had Mel Sticky Jams coming through with their pineapple and ginger jam, and also their mango and scotch bonnet. This one needs to be labeled "Don't Play."
Yeah,
right.
I agree.
This one is serious. This is not no liquor.
No.
This is not them the sweetie pepper jelly. This is like some
that is pepper jelly.
Yeah, this is pepper jam.
They
This
use
is scotch bonnet. Jeez. And don't forget, on the Hugo app, you can get everything that you need, including. No, don't make them touch! There's a lifestyle store, there's a convenience store, you can get your liquor, your drinks, lifestyle. This wouldn't be lifestyle, though. How is this gonna be a lifestyle? This can be a hello? Hello, bodyhead. Hello? No, don't make it touch! There's also an adult store over on the Hugo app. So if you need any of your vibrators, toys, handcuffs, anything like that, games. Where's the shooting gun? I had to. Oh, it's wet. It's dripping. I had to get this. I'm sorry. This is like.
I can't get over that the handle is bald.
Tracy, when I saw that, I was like, I have to get that.
No, but then they also did some decal on them here.
There's some little indents on the balls, you know. So remember, on the Hugo app, you can use the coupon code 2TRICKY to get $500 off.
Too tricky.
To get $500 off your order of $3,000 or more. Make sure you download the Hugo app for total convenience. You can use cash and you can use credit card. And there's so many different categories. I bet you didn't know you could buy Bodyhead on Hugo. You can get everything. Everything.
My body had pop off. Alright, guys.
And remember, there's scheduled orders. So if you have an event or you know you'll be hungry tomorrow at 4, you can schedule your order now for delivery tomorrow. And I think that's the most, to me, the scheduled orders is so convenient.
Oh my gosh.
Stephanie and I use that all the time.
I probably ever tell you how often I use Hugo. I use Hugo a lot.
Yeah, but for a lady who can cook, you know.
What?
You're not supposed to use Hugo that much. Let me use the Hugo. I'm the one. I'm like, I'm not cooking that.
But every
Not making
Saturday
that.
for sure we use Hugo.
For sure, yes.
100% Saturday we
And they
use
call us,
Hugo.
hi, we have your Hugo.
But
order."
I've used Hugo to get me things from Fontana before.
Really?
Yes. Why would I want to go out when I don't have to?
That's so true. That's so true. I just didn't realize that there were so many different pages of the Hugo book.
Yeah.
So we're glad that we were able to have Hugo Man today was able to bring all of the excitement
Yes.
with the
Yes,
with the toys.
Oh, it's 2:30. I was gonna do a quick Tricky's Corner.
Go ahead, girl. Do your thing.
So, Tricky's Corner today. I had a great Easter vacation. And, you know, my last Tricky's Corner, I said, be gentle with yourself. And that was the one, that was the Tricky's Corner that I left off of. So today really isn't a Tricky's Corner. Today is just like telling you guys that I listened to myself and I took this time over the Easter break to just be gentle with myself. And it felt really good. It felt nice, you know? It felt good to
Being gentle with yourself?
yeah, just to give myself a break, not to do so, not to have so many expectations of myself, to allow myself to, if I can't do it, just be like, okay, I can't do that.
Right.
You know, if I could do it, be like, yeah, this is in my realm of things I can do.
Mm-hmm.
And it felt I felt like a person again.
Yeah. Oh, wow, Trey.
Empowering.
Hugo smoke. Alright, it is absolutely free to download the Hugo app. So you can download it, you can set up your account, that is all free, and then you can roam through and see what it is that you'd like to use, and you can see how much the delivery cost is. It's not a percentage on each item, so you can...
You wrote down a lady for the buds and brushes?
Yeah, what do you mean?
So
See right
we're
here?
the Candy Crazy.
So we want to big up to all of the winners. We have Buffy, we have Gina Wilson, and we have Shani. I'll DM you in a little bit and tell you where you can pick up your prizes. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us, and we would like to say goodbye and see you next week. And thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky.
Bye!